Can ride-on floor scrubber pull 4.3 tons forklift? With this question in mind, we'd like to show you our best ride-on floor scrubber. First of all, let's compare the net weights of the two scrubbers. Other models of the scrubber weigh 344 kilograms. Our scrubber is 438 kilograms, a big difference of 94 kilograms. It means more solid materials are used and it offers greater driving safety. Also, our scrubber have more room for driving. The safety features include seat armrests and seat belts. The higher driving console makes driving more comfortable. You don't need to lean forward or bend over when driving. Our machines also have extra front anti-collision rollers, side brush disc protective covers, and rear anti-collision frame. The cramped driving space in other models of scrubbers can also bring about unexpected safety risks and injuries. Next, let's take a look at the differences in other details. Let's have a look at their plastic casings. Our scrubber used new plastic pellets that are originally imported from Thailand. This kind of plastic product is harmless to human bodies and is more sturdy and durable. The plastic casings of the other models are made from recycled plastic. Although the cost is lower, it's harmful to human bodies, and it's easy to get deformed and cracked during use. Let's start filling scrubber with water. From the stopwatch test, we finally got our scrubber takes 10 minutes and 21 seconds. Other scrubber take 13 minutes and 31 seconds. We've saved over 3 minutes on the filling time. But some people may think that a longer water filling time means a bigger water tank. The machine can work for a longer time in a single operation. Is it necessarily right? Let's test it out. Let's make the two machines work continuously. Other scrubber stopped after 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Our machine worked for 20 minutes before it stopped. Our scrubber works 5.5 minutes longer each time. It means that when you're filling water, we've already started working earlier. When you stop working and go back to fill up with water, we're still working. Using our scrubber in the long term can save a whole lot of time and resources. Both scrubber are equipped with sewage discharge pipes, but the other scrubber don't have clean water discharge pipes. In some cases, if you want to drain the clean water with the other scrubber, you will waste a lot of time. Our scrubber also has an expandable hanger. You can take a mop with the machine to clean some hard-to-reach corners. Our charger is dust-proof and waterproof from all directions. It's not afraid of any damp environments at all. After we've looked at the comparison of the exterior details, let's check out the interior details of the two scrubbers. All the parts of our scrubber are from the top brands in the industry. Our machines are controlled with the computer-integrated circuits. The computer can detect problems by itself and give alerts. It really cuts down on repair trouble and saves time. But other scrubbers use non-ICS for inspection and repair. You need pro electrician knowledge. It means you gotta put a lot of energy and cost into maintaining the scrubber. We've designed a sturdier frame and a bigger size, which can boost the scrubber stability